Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am super excited to show you how you can create studio quality professional headshots in seconds using Face Mimic. No need for expensive cameras or hiring a photographer. All you need is your phone and their powerful AI magic. Let's dive right in. Whether you are updating your LinkedIn profile, boosting your dating app, or creating a polished team photo for your company website, Face Mimic has got you covered. Their AI-powered technology transforms your selfies into professional-grade headshots in just 60 seconds. Here is how it works. The link is available in the video description, so make sure to check it out. First, click on Generate a Headshot. Once you are on the site, simply upload your selfie. It's super easy to use. Face Mimic offers a variety of styles to choose from. For example, you can create a LinkedIn headshot, professional CV profile, vacation vibes, birthday themes, or even festive styles like Christmas. I will start with the professional style. I have uploaded a selfie and now I will click Generate. Let's see the magic. Hey, just wait a few seconds. Now look at this, a studio quality headshot ready to use in just seconds. You can download it right away. Let's try another template. This time I will select LinkedIn. Hit Generate button and here we go. A polished LinkedIn profile photo that's perfect for career networking. Now let's have some fun with the vacation style. A fresh and relaxed look for those tropical vibes. And finally, let's check out the Christmas template. Look at how festive and creative this headshot is, perfect for holiday cards or social media posts. As you can see, Face Mimic gives you endless possibilities. You can generate multiple photos, experiment with different templates, and get stunning results every single time. So what are you waiting for? Transform your selfies into professional headshots. Stand out on LinkedIn, impress on dating apps, or create stunning team photos for your business. The link is in the description below, so click it now and try Face Mimic today. Trust me, you are going to love it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.